Hello friends, I am Kaosx and today I am gonna provide you top 3 After Effects CC in Elitemotion. These CC make your edits look clean and professional. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the preview. Okay guys, that's all for today. Preset providing in description after 150 like. So complete the target and build the presets.